Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to add email address in Line app. So first of all, open the Line application on your device. You can see over here Line application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you would like to add the email address, tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option account that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the account interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Under the section for general info, you'll be able to find this option for email address. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to register your email over here. So simply enter your email address. Now after you enter the email address, tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the verification code will be sent to your email. So open the Gmail on your device. You can see over here Gmail has been opened. So what you have to do is tap on the email sent by the Line. Now you'll be able to see the verification code over here. You can long press on it and tap on the copy option in order to copy it, or you can simply memorize it. After you do that, go back to the Line application. Now enter the verification code over here. Wait for a while. Now you can see over here your email has been registered. So like this, you'll be able to add the email address. So that is how you add email address in Line app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.